Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Moodle directly from your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you have already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, over here you can see the site option. You need to provide the Moodle site of your school, and you will find the link through the list. Once you find the link, tap on it. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in over here. In order to sign up for a new account, your school admin must have enabled email-based self-registration. If they have enabled that option, here you will see different sign-up process. You can sign up as a student, teacher, manager, parent, or privacy officer. If your school has allowed you to register through the email, you can easily create a new account. Once you create your account, you can use the username and your password over here and tap on login, and you will be logged into your account. Here you can tap on this 3-line icon and go to your dashboard. You can see your courses. So that's it. That's how you can sign up for a new account in Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.